my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Alina and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you, I bought new Nudestix Rose Gold Eye Palette. This is from Nudestix and this is what they've got. This is the box. When you open it up, I'm gonna swatch it to you on my eyes. It has also a sharpener, which is amazing. And I'm gonna swatch it to you on my eye. And so continue watching and stay tuned. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for future uploads. Here I am back. So I am going to show you those sticks. This is how they look like. I already prepped my skin and I have foundation on. I have a little bit of foundation on my eyelids, but I decided not to use any bases or anything, just apply it as it is. And like if you're going to the pool or summer, you don't want to use your foundation, so you just want to use those sticks. Here you go. You can just try it out and see how it's going to look on me. And I'm going to try one eye with one color, another eye with another. Nude sticks called Spirit. So I have changed my lens so I can be way closer to you, and you can see it all how it is exactly. So let's start. This is Spirit. You have to sharpen it if it's not sharpened. That's not a cool thing that you cannot actually take it out from the bottom, just squeezing out. But anyway, so let's begin. So I'm gonna put on my right eye Spirit. And I must say this is really long lasting. Once it's dry, that's it. So you have to work with it quickly and blend the edges. Now let's move to Nudity. Don't be afraid and use generous amount of this product on your eyelids to get the best results. You can use it as it is on its own or as a base to your eyeshadows to make it more intense. This shade is pretty nice. I think it's really good. What do you think? Share in the comment what you think, and I will definitely get back to you. Tell me whatever you're using. Maybe you're using better products. I would love to know. Now I'm just reapplying this foundation, Estee Lauder, just applying it all over my lid so it doesn't have any effect on the pencil. Then I'm taking Beauty Blender to remove the excess product. Let's try this pencil, GILT. I'm just applying it on my right eye. It's more like golden, shimmery shade. The cool thing about it, you can use it as a highlighter too. So whenever you have a shimmery pencil or anything, you can use it. You don't have to worry. It's the same kind of thing. So you can apply it on your eyelids, on your cheeks, on your lip, cupid bow, your nose, inner corner, anywhere you want. And blend the edges. Now we're going to try Burnish. I'm going to apply it on my left eye. Yeah, it's exactly Burnish. It looks like a little bit burned. This is a very nice color, a very nice shade. It looks already a little bit smoky and ready to go, so you just need to create with a brown pencil the eyeliner, and it will be soft and beautiful. I love it. I think it kind of suits me. What do you think? Which is your favorite shade so far? I love it. It just makes my eyes like looking deeper and more mysterious. Yeah, looks kind of good. Like, I love it. What do you think? And last shade that I have that I'm going to show you today is Angel. So I'm going to reapply. It looks very light. I think it's the lightest of them all. You can also apply it at the bottom and under your eyebrow, because it's very light. You can actually use this one as a highlighter for sure. And don't forget to blend it. I'm going to use this shade on both of my eyes because I don't have any other shades to show you. So I'm just gonna end it with this shade. And I feel when you're applying light eyeshadows, light shimmer eyeshadows, it makes you look more youthful. I find it like that. Whenever you go a bit darker, it makes you look older. So just be careful when you stick to natural lighting up your eyes, especially like if it's really deep inside, your eyes are a bit deeper. Like my eyes are going deeper with age and it becomes like more darker. So whenever I apply, like even you can use it here in the inner corner, you see how much light it brings. So if you're using, so since I'm gonna just go like that, I'm going to use this brown pencil. This brown pencil is from Makeup Forever, easy to blend, and I'm using this small brush. And I recommend to sharpen it well before applying it on the lash line. So I'm just applying it. Because it's brown, it's not going to be too intense. It will look still natural, but then it will not look scary that you have really light eyes, like a ghost or something. You just need to intensify the effect of the pencil. Here are my eyes. See, they're so much bigger now. Do you see the difference now? And I'm going to blend it with this small brush. I'm just blending it. So this is how my eyes are looking right now. I absolutely love it. What do you think? And I'm going to show you, I have a little surprise for you since you have been watching this video for a long time now. I'm going to show you this nude Bubble BEBE. It is a highlighter. It was gifted to me by an amazing girl in Sephora. I didn't even ask for it and she was so nice to offer. I will definitely buy again because this is a very pretty shade of highlight. And once again, this is Bubble BEBE Nudes. That's why I know a lot of people having trouble applying anything, like all the products, and they're like, oh, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good because I feel you don't put enough. You don't have to be scared of the product. Try it out. Put as much as like you can and then try how it looks. So the highlighter, my mom took it and she just applied it like that and then blended and it didn't show. Obviously it didn't show because I want the wet, the dewy skin. So you apply a few times. Be generous with it. Apply under your eye because it looks wow, like it looks so wet. And then apply it on your nose and then blend. It is kind of, it feels sticky, but it doesn't go anywhere. Like, do you see this? This is glass effect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Love you.